Congratulations, Gratulation an die erfolgreichen Wiener Magister Karl Martin Studener mit der Trophy für den drittplatzierten Jochen Hahn. Geschäftsführer von WWK Österreich, Magister Karl Martin Studener, jetzt mit der Trophy für Adam Latzko, den zweitplatzierten. Und erneut der Magister Karl Martin Studener für den Sieger Norbert Kisch.
So Norbert, 3 races, 3 victories. A little boring for you?
No, not boring at all. And I see it's getting harder. Adam was very quick in the second part of the race. He was even getting closer to me. So I had to push hard in the whole race to stay in front. So it was good, but you know, we still kept up the good work. We try to adjust, you know, for the changing conditions. It's a lot warmer today than yesterday. I guess the cold was a little bit better for us. We were a little faster yesterday, I think. But you know, I'm really happy for the result and for the team. Everything is working great, so I'm really happy.
So, not a bad weekend.
Sorry?
Not a bad weekend for you.
Yeah, not a bad weekend. Yeah, it was awesome. I didn't expect anything like this, but you know, things were just playing out great in the second races as well, coming from 8th place, and you know, everybody was fighting very hard. But you know, eventually everybody made a little mistake that I could use and overtake and be in front again. And you know, I just can't say enough thanks for the team and for the guys, because we are making a very good job with the racetrack. It's just, you know, awesome. I can do whatever I want from the start till the last lap. I could even push in the last lap, and you know, I can stay on the outside. I can do whatever I want. It's just awesome. So I'm very thankful for the guys for the hard work they put in, and you know, we made the right choices with the development, with the setups. So it's just, you know, it's just working great. This track is just awesome for us. I love it.